Fashion is visual. It's when we see that we buy. It's when we see that we even feel we want, we need, and we buy. So if you're not putting your work out there, what disservice you're doing to yourself. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the world. One message I have for you today is that fashion is visual. Fashion is visual. What that means is we love what we see when you make it. It's when we see it, we appreciate it. It's when we see it that we know she's a badass designer. It's when we see it that we know, oh my God, this should be my tailor or this should be my fashion designer. So today, I was in another mentoring session with someone. And one of her challenge is that she's shy wearing clothes she makes. She's shy to post on social media, yet she wants to be visible. She feels limited in the sense that her current clients do not make requests or orders for stylish wears, and she doesn't know what to do. Okay, amongst other problems that she highlighted to me. So, right here, right now, we're going to go into the session I had with her on WhatsApp, and then you get to hear for yourself what her challenge is and the response I had to that.
Thanks for yesterday's conversation. So, my major problem in this fashion designing business is just that, like you said in the video I watched on YouTube, visibility. I don't really have people I sew for except my sisters. Though I know my ability and competency, I know what I can sew. In fact, even sometimes if I just learn something and I can just see that, wow, I sew this thing perfectly, maybe from practice and stuff like that. But okay, for example, like knowing how to sew a corset, bustier, all those stuff like that, then you don't even have people you sew for. People don't even give you clothes to sew. I don't have customers. I don't have people I sew for except my sisters. And there are some kinds of clothes that my sister don't really wear. Sometimes when I see some crazy styles on social media, Instagram, or especially the Pinterest, when I see some crazy style, I always feel like, let me sew this, I want to sew this, but who do I want to sew it to? And it's not even about the money. I can actually go to the market to get some material, some fabric to sew it. But what do I want to sew it for? Who am I sewing it to? And my sister, they are not fond of wearing this ashwebi, all this stuff like that. So I'm just being limited in what I sew. I'm just limited based on the fact that I don't have people I sew it to. I'm limited. That's just it. I'm being restricted and limited on what I sew based on the fact that I don't have people to sew it to. I don't have people that come to me that want to sew it. Even I'm not even visible to the extent of people coming to me. I don't think they trust me. How can I just build that trust? So that's just my problem.
Now, I want to address two things. Even though my course, the mentorship program, I have prepared all these answers down for you. All your answers in clear, practical steps from A to B to C to D. Clear, practical steps for you to follow. I have prepared them. They are ready. They are waiting for you. All you have to do is sign up to join. But let me just quickly address it. Now, for visibility. Visibility is clearly making yourself to be seen. And you have even broken it down. How can we see you if you don't put yourself on social media? We don't need to see you, Barack, in person. We need to see your work. Okay, so if you say I'm not a social media person, you have already blinded. They have blinded us from seeing you. We can't even see you. So first, you have to stop that nonsense of I'm not a social media person. Secondly, when you say I'm a shy person, I don't like to wear, you have to stop that. You're already blinding us. Those are the things that you have put in your brain that has blocked you from making the progress that you're supposed to make. Those are the things that you are telling yourself that has blocked your potential customers from seeing you. So you have to unlearn them. Secondly, you said you see some nice styles, but you don't have who to sew it for. Look, all the designers that you're admiring on Instagram, before they became popular and started having the number of clients you see them have, they were sewing for nobody. I'm telling you, they see those nice designs, they buy fabrics, they sew, and they get a model to wear it. You don't wear trousers, you don't wear bodycon, no problem. You don't have to not wear what you don't want to wear. But there are lots of girls out there who will be excited to wear your clothes for free. They don't need to be your friends. That's a mistake people make. People think your friend and your sisters, your cousins should be the one to wear your clothes. No. Just enter social media and enter Facebook. Just post it there. If you don't even have friends on your Facebook, look for a marketplace in your town. There are lots of marketplaces for a particular town. Like in Calabar, we have more than 10 marketplaces on Facebook. Look for marketplace in your town. That's a Facebook group. Join that group and just post it there. Size 10 or size 12 model wanted. You will have lots of girls. Remember, they're on strike. School is on strike. Lots of people are idle. You have lots of girls send you messages to do it, even for free. You can tell them it's some sort of partnership. So maybe you would give them your free service. That's anytime they want to sew a dress, you can sew it for them for free, because most of them might want to be paid, right? But they'll still like they'll still like a deal like sewing for them for free. Do you understand? Right? You will have plenty of them. Then you can now go to the market, buy those fabric, and put it on your model. It will shock you that when you post or publish and advertise this dress on your model, somebody will even buy it off her body. So that mentality of I don't have who to sell it to, I don't have who to, you have not even made it. So why will you even have somebody to want to buy? You haven't even produced the styles that you see, all the crazy cute styles that are trending. You have not even produced it. So how will me now that want to wear a corset come to you to sew a corset when you have never even sewn one for me to see? If there's anything I want to leave you with this afternoon, is that fashion is visual. Fashion is visual. It's as we see, we want. When I put clothes on my mannequin like this in my shop, you already know I work from home. So when I say shop, I mean the area where I do business in my house. Okay. So when I put clothes on the mannequin like this, in my shop, and my customers walk in, the first thing they do is to make comments about the clothes on the mannequin. If it's for sale, they're already willing to buy. If it's not for sale, they will say they want a style like this. But if they came in and they did not see any mannequin, or they did not see any cloth on the mannequin, would they make order? No. If they don't see any cloth on the mannequin, would they say, oh, make this same style, I want it for me? No. Fashion is visual. If you are not willing to go to the market, buy fabric, and so even when nobody send you, nobody say produce this thing for me, you use your own money, go to the market, buy those fabrics, sit down, sew, get a model, put the clothes on your model's body, take your model to a nice ambience, a nice environment, carry your phone, clean your lens, video this model, and post on social media and tell people I make beautiful corsets. Nobody will see, nobody will know, hence nobody will come to you to make clothes. You don't need to have friends. I told you, you don't need to even have sister or brother. Just go to Marketplace on Facebook. That's when business is happening. Go to Marketplace on Facebook and be posting your designs. Post your designs. Be consistent in posting. Let people see seriousness in you. Sign up. I have a breakdown. I have a workbook and plan for you to follow. That in the space of 2 weeks, you're already having orders. You'll be so tired of sewing that you'll start looking for other tailors to work with you. So please, I'm waiting for you.
Look, she's so grateful. She's beginning to implement these things I've told her. She's so grateful. She's signed up for my mentorship program. So now she's a mentee. I would love to be your mentor. If you want to sign up for my mentoring program, there's a link in the description box that takes you right to my WhatsApp where you tell me you want to sign up and we'll take it from there. I don't want you struggling in your business. I've been there. From lack of customers to pricing poorly, frustration, heartbreak, headache, not finding the right people to work with. I have been there. And right now, I am making myself available to help those who needs this help. So go down in the description box. You'll see a link that will take you to my WhatsApp where you tell me you want to sign up. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It's very important to me because this tells YouTube that you like my content and they will show this video to more and more people. Please don't forget to implement these things that you have learned. It doesn't make sense to receive an information and you don't implement. It means you're still where you are, and this video, your time here, my data, your data, all wasted. Please implement. God bless you.
I'ma shine a go brighter. Fall I care for the night.